In this video, I will show you how to use LearnWorlds to sell your own course and to create the entire platform where you can actually sell your course. So LearnWorlds is an awesome tool and I have a lot of experience with using it, and I definitely also recommend you to use it. Using my link down in the description, you can start your 30-day free trial without any payment details. So simply click on my link in the description and then click Get Started for free right here. Then here, all you need to do is enter your email and select what you want your school name to be. So that's just the name of your course, for example. Then click on Start your 30-day free trial now. And now they are preparing your school right here. Now here, enter the name of your school. Now in the address bar, you will see that you now have your own domain. So the name of your school, .learnworlds.com. Although you can change this later and change it to your actual branded domain. Now just enter your school name here. And now set a password for your school. Then click on Continue. Now here you want to select a template for your school. So you can always update your template choice anytime later. So you have a couple of different categories you can choose from right here. And I'm going to choose coaching. So I will release a coaching course. So you have a couple of templates here and you can preview them by hovering over them and clicking preview. And if you find one that you like, you can click select and continue. I'll just start with this one right here and click select and continue. Now you want to answer 5 questions. So first, what is your main objective with LearnWorlds? So this can be selling courses to individuals or businesses, training or onboarding employees, educating customers or partners, providing free training, or just looking around. I will say selling courses to individuals. Now, do you have any experience with online training? I will say I am teaching online, but I don't use a course platform. Then what is the size of your audience? I'll select 1000 to 10,000. And then what best describes your role? I will say blogger. And now which industry is most relevant to your business? So here just pick the industry that you are targeting. For example, I will say design, photo and video. So for example, I am launching a coaching business for people who are into design, photo or video. So then click finish right here. And now you can click on start building your online school, or you can book in a demo with the experts from LearnWorlds and they will help you set it up. Now I'm just going to start it myself. And now you will come into your dashboard right here and your 30-day free trial will have started. So here in the getting started section, you can see what you need to do to get started. Here you have your website and we can customize this later. This is not the important part. What we are going to do first is to create our first course. So go ahead and click on create course right here. And now here you want to go ahead and set up your course. So first, what is the name of your course? So just enter the name, then how would you describe the content? This is optional. And upload a cover image. This is also optional. I'm going to upload a cover image. So for example, I'll just do one of my thumbnails right here and click upload one file. And now here you will see the cover image. And now you can click insert image. And now you can go ahead and click on continue. Now you want to create your course URL. So right here you will now see your domain. So this is currently your domain, so the name of your school.learnworlds.com, but you can change your domain later and I'll show you how to do this. So I'll keep it like this and click continue. Now you want to select your course access. So how will the users access the course? So first you can start off with a draft when you're just working on it. That's what I will do. Then you can choose to make it free, paid, private or coming soon. Now you probably want to sell the course, so I will set it to paid right now and click continue. And now here you can choose the price of your course. For example, I will say 200 euros. And now what is the discounted price if applicable? So if there is a discount, for example, I can make it 160. I'm just going to keep it like this and then click on finish. So now you can actually start building your course. So here you will see the step-by-step process. We are going to start with the course outline. So there's 3 different options you can choose to build the outline of your course. You can start building from scratch, you can import and sync existing content, or you can leverage the power of AI. So this is powered by the GPT 3.5. So I'm just going to start building from scratch and click on add empty section right here. Now here you want to select a section title. So this will be a section of your course where you show something. For example, if I have a Photoshop course, I can create your Photoshop account. Now you can select a description. So for example, in this section, I will be showing you how you can create your Photoshop account. And now for the access, I want to set it to paid, which means the section will only be accessible to users who have purchased the course. Now you can also, for example, make half of the course free and then the other half paid to get more users to actually buy your course. But I'm just going to keep it simple and make it paid and then click save. So now you have section 1 of your course. Now you want to add all of your sections. So for example, you can have 20 different sections. And then once you have your sections, you can move on to step number 2, which is the course page layout. So right here, you will see the website, and here you can edit the course layout. So now it will take you to the website builder, and you can see it right here. So they will have added in the name of your course, the price, and for the rest of this, you just want to customize it yourself. So your logo right here, so you can edit the school toolbar, click on this, and then upload your own logo. It's all a pretty simple process. And just go ahead and design your website right here, upload your own images and your contact details, etc. So then once you're done, you can click preview, and if you like it, go ahead and click on save. So now we can go back. Now, one important thing that I forgot to mention is that for each section, you actually want to add in the course section. So click add activity right here. And now an awesome feature of LearnWorlds is the interactive video. So this makes your course much more engaging, but you can also just add a YouTube link to your video, and then you can have your video on YouTube just be private, for example. You can also simply upload a PDF, audio, whatever you want. So for example, if I select interactive video, then here type the name and click on save. You just want to add in your video and the details. So you can upload it onto Vimeo, for example, and then just add the link right here. So make sure that you add in the course section for each of your sections right here, so that people can actually follow the course. So now we can move on to the course settings. First, in general, right here, you can choose the general settings of your course, then the access, the pricing, the user progress right here, the course player, so you can choose what the course player looks like. I will just keep it to the color minimal, but you also have the other ones you see right here. Actually, I'm going to set it to minimal. I like the minimal look. Then here you have your video library, where you can also upload your videos that you are going to include in your course. And then you have automations. So here you can set up automations. So for example, when a user is enrolled to a course, then enroll the user to another bonus course. So if you, for example, have a deal when a person buys one course, then they also get this one, then you can set up that automation right here. And you just have some examples here, but you can also start one from scratch. So you also have when a user completes a course, send an email to congratulate the user, and then you can customize the email, etc. Then finally here under Insights, you have your dashboard where you can see the amount of users, new users, the product sales, etc. You have your course insights. So you can see, for example, the total study time, the average time to finish the course, etc. Then you have your users here, so you can see all of the users, the certificates, and you can just go and create a certificate right here. So you can click create your first, and then you can create your own certificate for when somebody finishes your course. So for example, a Photoshop 101 certificate in my case. Then you have the grade book right here, where you can grade people. Then you have pending reviews, and your course forms right here. So if you have course forms, you can see those right here as well. So if you just follow all of these steps, you will have created your course, and the most important part is the content right here. So these sections, then the actual course uploads, and the course page layout. So this will basically be your funnel. So now I will get into some more details about, for example, how you can upload your own domain, etc. So we have created our first course now, and now you can customize your school's website. So when you click edit your website right here, it will take you to the website editor again, where you can go ahead and edit your website right here. Now here, for example, I have the Photoshop 101 course page. So if you just want to lead people to this page, then you can delete all of the other ones if you want, or you can create a funnel right here. So then after you customize your school's website, we're going to set up our payment gateway. So click set payment method, and now the one that I personally use is called Stripe. So in order to use Stripe, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, as you can see, it starts at 24 euros per month, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion, because if you sell a course for 100 euros, for example, you will have 4 months of your subscription already. And they make it so much easier for you to launch your course compared to other platforms. Now in the starter plan, you do have a €5 per course sale transaction fee. However, from the Pro Trainer and the Learning Center and up, you have no transaction fees. So personally, I use the Pro Trainer plan at €79 per month, and I also think this is worth it, although Learning Center can also be worth it if you want to use interactive videos and everything else that it says right here. So you can just go and select the plan right now if you want to set up your payment gateway and actually start selling. Although you can also use the 30-day free trial to just build your course. So that's also the main thing that the 30-day free trial is for. It gives you some time to explore the platform, build your course and website, see how everything works. And then once you're ready to start selling, you can pick one of these plans right here. So the interactive videos is a really cool feature, and if you want this, you want to upgrade to the Learning Center, but personally I use the Pro Trainer plan. So now once you have done all of this, you can go to preview in the top left, and now you will see what your customers will see before they purchase the course. So when they go to the courses section right here, they can see all of your courses. So I only have one, but if you have multiple ones, they will all show right here. They can click enroll, and now when they click enroll again, they can fill in their payment details right here once you have set up the payment methods. So it's a really cool process and it makes everything look really professional. And for only 79 euros or 24 euros per month even, I think LearnWorlds is one of the best options out there. Now the fourth step is to integrate your business, so seamlessly connect your online business to top third-party tools, so you can set it up with Zapier or Google or whatever you want. Now this is not necessary in order to get started, but you can do it if you use any of the tools that you see right here. By the way, I forgot to mention in the video, if you want to actually change the domain that you see right here, so from howtostuff.learnworlds.com to, for example, just howtostuff.com, what you can do is go to settings right here, and then under school settings, click site, email and domain, and then here you will need to upgrade to a pro plan, and you will be able to change your domain right here. Again, if you want to get your 30-day free trial with no credit card required, you can use my link down in the description to get started with LearnWorlds and then just follow the steps that I showed you in this video. So now you know how to use LearnWorlds. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.